Well, it's amazing, when you start sowing those seeds of music at an early age, it really, really does blossom very well. The tunes, the dance, the rhythm, everything is so beautiful. We do lots of different workshops where we introduce kids to different sorts of instruments. Every class we invite different artists, maestros who come to play the instrument live for the kids, where the children can see the artist perform live, and then they can also try their hands on the instrument of the day. This way the children are able to develop an interest towards learning an instrument, figuring out which instrument they would really like to learn, because once they've seen all the variety of instruments, string instruments, percussions, keys, wind instruments, then they know better that what is that interests the child more. So they are able to choose the instruments, and then we start individual training process also. But in between we also do other workshops like the rhyme and chime program, where we introduce kids to concepts of music, like what is rhythm, what is pitch, what is tempo. In this program children gain beat confidence, so it becomes very easy for them to later on learn different instruments, and it's easy for us to teach also at a younger age.
मेरी डॉटर है, उसका नाम रव्या कौर है, तो हमने उसको मोजार्टसी में एनरोल किया है। और जब से हमने उसको एनरोल किया है, हमें ऐसा लगता है इस क्लास में आके कि भी हम खुद बच्चे बन गए हैं।
The class, absolutely fabulous. I'm trying to explore and introduce him to music, and it's very important for me that he develops a hobby or something that he can carry, develop a passion for musical instrument, and that is why I brought him here. And in fact, I've been following MOZARTSY for a while now, and it was I missed somehow, getting enrolled in this session, and then Sonam and Charu were really accommodating. There was an absentee, so they kind of accommodated me, and I'm coming all the way from Gurgaon. It was absolutely worth it, and I'm loving it here. Thank you so much, Team MOZARTSY. Thank you.
But normally you put them to a music class and they get to experience just one instrument, like a piano or like a guitar, just a single one. So this was like a phase where he gets to be explored, to get to explore different instruments and get to have a hands-on experience of that instrument as well.
तो मेरी बेटी सिर्फ 18 महीने की थी जब इसको मैं पहली बार इस क्लास के लिए लाई थी, और उसने शुरू करा ही था अपना प्ले स्कूल, फिर छुट्टियां पड़ गई और मैंने ये सेशन फिर रिपीट कराया। तो जब मैं वापस गई स्कूल में, मेरे को टीचर का फ़ोन आया, बोली कि मुझे आपसे मिलना है, आपने इनको क्या करवाया था छुट्टियों में। तो मैंने बोला एक एक्सपेरिमेंटल म्यूज़िक क्लास थी, मुझे पता चला था कुछ फ्रेंड्स के थ्रू, तो मैंने बस वही कराया। तो बोलते कितने टाइम रोज़ कराते थे? मैंने बोला सिर्फ 7 सेशंस थे ओवर 2 वीक्स 2.5 वीक्स। तो बोली कुछ तो चेंज आया है। तो मैं बोला व्हाट इज़ इट, क्या है? तो बोलती है अपने आप पहले जाती नहीं थी स्टेज के ऊपर, अब माइक भी पकड़ना चाह रही है, रिदम का करने की कोशिश कर रही है, काउंटिंग समझ रही है। सो दिस इज़ समथिंग कि आपने बहुत ही अच्छा करा है जो भी करा है, और मैं चाहूँगी कि आगे जो बच्चे आप उनके साथ भी शेयर करें, उनके पेरेंट्स के साथ शेयर करें।